This is the Mini-Mate Camper by Kompact Kamp Trailers. The Mini-Mate can easily be towed by motorcycles and other small vehicles. It features a full fiberglass body and lid design, weighs only 260 pounds, sleeps 2 adults with a 6.5 foot long by 4.5 foot wide bed, has a rubber torsion independent suspension system, LED lights, and sets up very quickly and easily, as I will demonstrate in this detailed instructional video. After unhooking from your tow vehicle, you want to drop the jacks down, pull the base of the jack towards the center of the trailer to drop it down and adjust the feet to a level position. Next, you're going to want to remove the luggage rack. For a stand, push the 2 pins to release. Place it on the 2-inch stands on the lid. Next, we'll unlock the lid and the door and prepare to open up the camper. Grabbing the lid and the rack together, we will flip the lid open and set it down. Here you can see there's 2 bows. Pull this one up that's connected to the canvas, and you have color codes there. You'll match red to red. Put the pole end in the tongue side bow and then the door side bow. These telescoping poles are on an offset cam, as you can see here. Twist to unlock and twist to lock in any position. Slide, twist and lock, twist and unlock. So we'll just set that in for now. Move this bench board and cushion out of the way so we can step in. We'll unlock the pole, spread it tight, and twist to lock. The same thing for the lower bow. Place blue to blue here, and the other end will go to the other telescoping pole that we first installed. Spread tight, twist to lock. That completes the tent portion of your setup. It's that simple. We'll put the drip edge down over for rain runoff. As you can see, the canvas was attached and covered, so all your gear and the bedding is covered if you're setting up in the rain. To raise the bed portion up from the travel position, I'm going to remove that cushion, swing this table board up on the double hinge, raise the supports on either side, you have a strong support for your bed. The cushion will quarter turn from the travel position to the bed position, which will take up any gap in the cushion area there. And now your bed is complete. Here you can see it's set up in the single bed position, where you still have standing room in the drop floor of 6 foot 4 inch headroom. That's our single bed setup, and the storage that you can see underneath. With the bench and cushion in place, you have your full bed 4.5 foot wide width for your sleeping arrangement. Now I'm going to show you how you can set it up into the bench portion for inside the camper. Remove the cushions, drop it down to the travel position, those supports, and the table board in the travel position. Now we're going to rotate it up. You have your bungee there that you're going to hook on the screw. Place the main cushion vertical against that board, and your bench and cushion can fit in there, and that is your inside seating arrangement. Tear down is just opposite of setup. We'll remove this out of the way from the bed setup position. The cushions, again, as you saw, will lower the side supports, lower the table bench, place the cushion back in place, twist to unlock the pole and let the lower bow drop down to the cushion. Now we're going to twist and unlock this pole, bring the tongue side bow towards you, place the bench and cushion in, and now remove the pole and let the bow fall down. Remove this completely from the canvas, place it on the cushion, and then the door side bow can remain, the canvas can remain on it, just loosen it up as you lower it down. Here's a look at your storage that you have in the travel position. Full length and width of the camper, 15 cubic feet of storage. Now we'll close up the door and start packing in the canvas, just flattening it out as much as possible. Lift the drip edge flaps over. I like to put the two ends together there. Grab the rack and the lid together and check the hinge spots to make sure the canvas isn't being pinched, holding the two end flaps in. You'll tuck everything in, let the air release as you compress the lid, and latch that lid closed. Next, release the stand from the top and feed it through the T-stands. Push the two push pins on either side and snap it in place. I'm going to lower the front jacks with the tongue weight. You can just stand on it and they'll lower. Compress the feet on the back ones. Pull the base of the jack down and swing it up into the travel position. There are a lot of great accessories for the Mini Mate. Here you see the 5x7 awning attachment, give you a covered area, and the out-of-room sidewalls enclose that entire awning area for a great dressing room, lounge area in case of bad weather. And that's the Mini Mate camper. You're packed up and ready to continue on your travels. You can find more information, pictures, prices, additional videos on our website at www.kktrailers.com.